Breville oven rack shooting forward when you open the door? Fix it fast. The auto-eject feature is designed to slide the rack forward in slots 3 and 4, but if it feels too strong or unsafe, here's how to control it. Step 1. Reseat the rack properly. Make sure the rack is pushed fully past the notches. If it sits halfway, the magnets will grab harder and yank it forward. Step 2. Open the door slowly. Ease the door open and keep a hand on the rack. A controlled open softens the auto-eject pull and keeps pans from jerking out. Step 3. Use non-auto-eject slots when needed. If you don't want the rack sliding forward at all, use rack positions 1, 2, or 5. These don't have magnets, so the rack stays in place. Step 4. Clean the rails for smooth travel. Crumbs and grease on the side rails make the rack catch and then lurch. With the oven unplugged and cool, wipe the rails with a lint-free microfiber cloth. Apply cleaner to the cloth, not directly into the oven. Step 5. Know when it's a fault. The rack should glide smoothly. If it jerks violently, the door doesn't feel aligned, or the magnets seem misfitted, that's a service issue. If this helped you get the rack under control, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need lint-free microfiber cloths, I've linked the set I use below. Perfect for cleaning the rails and seal without scratching. Thanks for watching, and keep your racks on track.